Hey world, it's LaDonna and Mark here from Radique Audio, bringing you a much anticipated RA Twin 2 video. Today we're going to show
I didn't get to say hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
One of us is working on very little sleep and one of us is just normally irritable. You can guess which is which.
That's not nice. All right, man, let's go.
So today we're going to show how to use your RA Twin 2 in receiving mode. So that's what you do when you're streaming from your phone or tablet or laptop to your vintage amplifier or stereo system or even a modern AVR that doesn't have Bluetooth. So in front of LaDonna right now is a beautiful Marantz 2238 with one of our Radique Audio custom cherrywood cabinets. The back, you'll see we've got one of our Gold Series Radique Audio 3.5mm to dual RCA cables connected into the auxiliary input on the Marantz. First important thing to mention is that we want the amplifier to be turned off when we plug in this cable.
Yes.
This is just good, safe practice
Standard
for any
procedure.
audio gear, yes. Whether you're plugging in speakers, plugging in cables, always make sure your amplifier is turned off. Then we have the RA Twin. That's our little RA Twin. It is currently plugged into that same 3.5mm cable, and it's plugged into one of our brand new spiffy RA USB adapters, just to show you what that looks like at the back of an amplifier.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Don't be alarmed. It is backwards / upside down.
The logo when we're facing this way is upside down. We could have had the logo facing the other way and had it be right side up, but then you wouldn't have seen the logo. So we figured, let's go with it upside down, but at least you'll see the nice logo there.
There you go. This is optional. This is just to have a continuous stream of power.
Yes. So some people do run the RA Twin 2 off of the built-in battery. But normally if you're just going to leave it plugged in long-term to the same application, like if you are always going to use it in the receiving mode to stream to your system, it's easier just to leave the USB power plugged into the RA Twin 2 all the time.
Okay.
Okay, so we're plugged in. Now the next phase is to pair the RA Twin 2. Oh, and sorry, the front of the amplifier, which we can't see because we're turned around at the moment, we do have the amp has now been turned on. We've selected auxiliary, so we got some nice Focal speakers connected. And LaDonna is now going to pair the RA Twin 2 to her phone, and I'm going to get a quick video of that.
So I'm going to long press the power button.
Power off.
Okay, it was on. Damn it. I'm gonna long press the power button.
Power on.
Okay.
You're going to see RA Twin 2 pop up on the devices list. A lot of devices.
Don't look at my devices.
The whole world is looking at your devices. So now LaDonna is pairing our RA Twin 2
there
to
it
her
is,
phone.
RA Twin 2.
Connected.
That was the RA Twin 2 saying connected.
So now I'm going to find some copyright-free music so that we can listen to it. Press play. There we go.
So this is now streaming from LaDonna's phone wirelessly to the RA Twin 2 and then into the Marantz.
Play. Just so you know, it's really me playing it.
And you can raise the volume from your phone.
Yes.
So it's kind of like having a remote control now for your vintage amp, which is kind of cool.
Okay.
Awesome. So
Pause that.
Now, if you wanted to, you could also listen to an audiobook. You could listen to a podcast. You're not just limited to music.
Any content from your
device.
device.
Any audio content from your device can be streamed to your vintage system. And if you, of course, if you have a phone call or something, your phone can automatically pause the music while you answer.
Pause it?
Yeah, while you answer your phone. Want me to call you while you're...
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm playing the music.
Yes.
I have to unblock you from my contact.
Of course.
1 6 1.
Hello.
This is Mark.
Echo, echo.
Echo, echo.
Okay, but it did pause.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
So that has been a quick rundown
Very
of how
quick
to
rundown.
use your RA Twin 2 to stream in RX mode. Oh, you just bring the RA Twin 2 close to this camera?
I can only go this far.
Okay.
So right now we're in RX mode, and if you toggle that, it's TX
Line
mode.
in mode.
Line in. She's very talkative.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected.
Nice.
Excellent.
And then we can power it off. Long press.
Power off.
Awesome. With our next one of these videos, you will get to see how we connect an RA Twin 2 in transmit mode.
Yes.
And that's a whole different setup. So that's basically when you're wanting to transmit from your RE Twin 2 from your stereo system out to wireless Bluetooth headphones. There's all kinds of cool applications for that. Also, if you have not yet entered our contest, please comment RE Twin 2 to the end of this video for a chance to win a free RE Twin 2.
We are capping this giveaway. Basically, whoever writes RE Twin 2 is going to get
It's a race.
It is.
Very good chance of winning an
We'll
RE Twin 2.
receive one.
Well, what if 1,000 people comment?
It's not going to be 1,000. I'm telling you, guys.
We go viral and we run out of RE Twin 2, so that kills our whole promotion.
Why are you saying no?
We cannot promise that.
Well, because
you don't know how many people will comment.
We have to have a sense of urgency.
Okay, well, fine.
Well, fine.
We're going to be very generous with our RE Twin 2s.
Yes, we
You've got
are.
a super good chance of winning one. Just comment.
Because
please.
we're wanting to move on to a bigger bundle.
Yes.
And we're going to give away the base RE Twin 2.
For sure.
And then...
Oh, and one last thing I want to mention. Now on our website at radique.com, we have a very cool build your own RE Twin 2 bundle. So you can choose between the 2 different Gold Series cables, one for transmit, one for receive, and an RE USB. And any of those components you get from us in that bundle will be discounted because you're buying them as part of a bundle. So you can build your own bundle. Just go to RE Twin 2 on our website, scroll down to the bottom of the listing, and you will see the build your own bundle function.
Oh, I've got one of these that I'm using at home and I love it. It might look bulky, but it doesn't sag even though I have maybe 3 things connected to it. It stays nice and taut against the
That is a good
wall.
point. And I love the fact that you could have up to 4 devices charging at one time, and it's got a bunch of different power. You can even plug in a high power requirement device like a modern cell phone or tablet, because it does have one device of that type supported. So thanks everybody for tuning in. We look forward to coming to you again soon with more awesome content. Please like and subscribe, and
see you in the next one.
Take care, world.
Bye.